All right, guys, headed out to the car. We're gonna get these guitars. So it's been a long time coming. We're working on these things for a few months now. So thanks to Stuart Campbell with Gifted Guitars for giving me a couple of these, and one of them's a kit guitar that I put together. So hopefully these kids will get a lot of good use out of it and learn how to play. So about to grab them now. We'll go back into church and pop back in there in a minute to talk to Amy Craig. Hey guys, Leaf Life here. So this is Amy Craig. She's over AOK, and we're going to give her the guitars to her today. We've been a labor of love for months now, so we're finally kind of like coming to a culmination of the giveaway here. So we got the kids here from AOK. If Amy, you want to say anything about the program?
Yeah, we are so excited to get worship in our children's church. This is something that we've had on our hearts for a long time. We haven't had all the supplies to do it, but we're finally able to get this going. It's something that I think is going to be just a great thing for our kids and the future worship team of our church.
Yeah, so thanks to Stuart Campbell from Gifted Guitars for giving us two of them, and one of them is a kit that I purchased to put together. So appreciate it, Stuart. All right, kids. So here we go. So these are regular, standard size guitars, and this is a bass guitar. So I know that Maverick is our lead guitarist, and we talk a lot at the camp. So here, you can play with that. So you said you like blue and Jesus Cross and all that stuff. So there you go.
Nice.
So you can play that every time you're up here.
This is really cool.
You like that?
Yeah, I like how it's the detailing right here. That's pretty cool, and I like the back of it. It's finished.
Yeah, it is finished. Thank goodness it's finished. So that was the last thing I did to it. So we need somebody else that's going to step up and learn some guitar. So we got another one right here. So if anybody else wants to come learn, that's great. And I think we have a little future bassist maybe right here. So he's talking about wanting to learn the bass. So
I could put my extra strap in this.
yeah. So it's here. You can take it home and play it if you want to, and bring it back and kind of get used to it. So I know it's kind of like the Strat that you have. So it's kind of similar.
Let's say thank you, Gifted Guitars. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Gifted Guitars!
And Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee has put hours upon months of putting these together. So thank you for that.
All right, Mr. Blake, what you think about it?
Oh, I love it.
What you think, Mav? Dude, that's sharp.
It does look so
Yeah. Yours is a full-size guitar, right? So, or is it same size as that? Okay. Yeah, give me something. Give me some, hit some strums.
Yeah, you can keep this on.
Okay. That's my favorite. I love it. Yeah.
Tell me a note you're gonna play, okay?
Wait, I'm gonna go like that. I'm gonna do it 3, and then I'll go like that, okay?
Get down a little. If you want to do something, so you're gonna get down here and just press. Use your fingers and press down on the low strings.
This one I'm gonna do 6 times.
Okay.
Hold the string tight. There you go. There it is. Now slide up 2 frets, Lee. There. Just go from white dots to white dots. All right, so that's what we got. 2 Strat style guitars to redo. This one should be the easier of the 2 because I got to figure out all this. But stay tuned as we get these going. So I just want to give you all a quick unboxing. Look at that. Nice, be slapping that bass. I don't know. Never played a bass before, but dude, for $71, I'm gonna make this look like a $1 million guitar.